Hello, it's Max here with TRIPAK. TRIPAK has been producing quality products since 1976. My family started using TRIPAK products in 2010. We liked the product so much that we bought the company in 2016. We first started out with using the diesel fuel conditioner with TRIPAK anti-friction metal treatment to keep our injectors clean and lubricated, which really helped keep a truck with 1 million miles on it running when nothing else would. TRIPAK AFMT, or anti-friction metal treatment, is blended into most of our products and is the key to what makes TRIPAK stand out in the market. Today, we're going to be doing a short training video on Deep Blue chain conditioner. What makes Deep Blue not necessarily better than other products, but more so completely different and unique, is that once you condition the chain, nothing sticks to it. Have a look at these pictures we took of a chain that has been lubed with a competitor's product that did best on the friction machine. You can see how dirt and chaff sticks to the chain. After that, we cleaned the chain and treated it with Deep Blue and ran it under the same conditions. You can really see the difference. This machine that we're using today is going to allow us to demonstrate the friction reducing properties of TRIPAK AFMT in Deep Blue. We have a standard racing bearing, and we're going to add weight to and increase friction to the point of failure. Let's get started with 3 competitor products before we show you Deep Blue. We're going to spray a good amount of these products directly onto the race and add the weights until we get failure. Okay. Now let's have a look at that bearing. Now we're going to move the bearing to a new surface, clean the race, and show you the next product. Let's take a quick look at that bearing and then reset. One last time, we're going to spray a good amount of the third product directly onto the race and add weights until we get failure. Let's take a quick look at that bearing and then set up to test Deep Blue. Now we're going to do the same test as the 3 competitors using Deep Blue. Now let's have a look at that bearing. As you can see, the bearing never failed with Deep Blue, and there is a very small spot on the bearing. This is how we prove that Deep Blue does a better job of protecting the metal, and because our anti-friction metal treatment conditions the metal down to a molecular level, it coats the pins and rollers from the inside out. This means that your chains will run clean, cool, and last longer, ultimately keeping you working instead of fixing. Another thing to note is you also don't have to apply deep blue as often, which makes it an even better value. TRIPAK's AFMT, or anti-friction metal treatment, is blended into most of our products and is the key to what makes TRIPAK different than anything you've tried before. Friction produces heat, causes metal fatigue, and creates unnecessary downtime. TRIPAK's AFMT kills friction and reduces failure. If you want more information, visit us at tripakus.com, and remember, if it moves, TRIPAK it.